Hey all, Angrit Resource is side for Step Fleet team and welcome back to my channel. So this is a Bank Nifty chart and these are new levels marked using volume profile. So before giving any analysis for tomorrow, let me give you a follow-up of yesterday's video. Wait, actually levels has not been changed at all. These are the new levels and these were the previous levels as well. So I haven't taken any screenshot. So it will be easy for me to give you a follow-up. So yeah, see. Here also if you can see after market opens here, it tried to go up but in the very first candle took resistance from up zone and then tried to sustain here for more than a half an hour, and after then it gave a breakout and it has given good move till here. See, the volatility in the market is quite normal now and it's all because of the falling India VIX, and this can be till the point of India VIX doesn't move upside. Okay, so we can expect a volatility more or less in this particular zone only. So this is that is why trading in a particular zone and trading within the range is quite important as of now. Okay, so see, if market has given closing here, so if market opens in this zone, okay, so this is a sideways opening, and if market open here, means this is a gap up opening. So I'm going to analyze both of them simultaneously. तो अगर market sideways खुलता है या फिर gap up खुलता है, so you don't need to trade in this particular zone. You can do one thing, you can do hedging by selling this and this call option and this put option and keep the hedging till the point it doesn't break either this or this, and you might get good premium decay. Okay, so you can plan your hedging like this. Otherwise, if you are a naked trader, you do directional trading, then you have to wait for either this or this gets broken. Okay, and this is a big zone of around from 35,600 to 35,710, which is around 120 points of move. Still you have to wait, and when either this or this gets broken, you have to take entry. This is a big zone of around 170 point, and this is also a big zone of around, wait, yeah, uh, this is a zone of around 200 points, which is a big range. Okay, so if you are taking entry in this particular when this gets broken, then you have to keep a SL of around 110 120 points of SL, and you have to look for this much of target. This is a big target, so this might take time and can go till like this only. Okay, we can't expect up move like this, but yeah, this is a big zone, so you have to work here with trailing SL, and when after opening sideways or gap up for that matter, then if this gets broken, then you have to take entry here also by keeping a SL of around 100 points for a target of this much, which is around 160 170 points of move. The RR here will be more than 1:1.5. Okay, this is how you have to trade if market opens gap up and gap up and sideways. Okay, now the third thing, that is if market opens gap down. So if market opens gap down, a small gap down, means in this particular zone and till this much, so you can take aggressive entry as in when market opens for this much of target. Okay, so and you have to keep a sell of 80 points. Why I'm saying that? Because market continuously, Bank Nifty is actually quite bearish as compared to Nifty. Nifty has been stretched a lot, but Bank Nifty is taking resistance from the upside. It is continuously seeing seller's strength. So we can expect if market opens after breaking this particular zone also, we can expect selling to continue. That's why I'm saying if market opens gap down till this much, means around 180 points, 100 points or 80 points, then you can take aggressive entry as and when market opens. This is how you have to trade if market opens gap down. But if market opens gap down of around 300 point 250 point, then you have to wait. You have to wait for a proper price action to take place. This is how you have to work. Okay, so that's all as analysis and that's all as levels. So I would suggest you to please take a screenshot of these levels. Wait, okay, for your reference for tomorrow's trading. Okay, so that's all from my end, and this is my Telegram channel. If you want to join this channel, the link is already in description box. Today I have given 2 trades in this, and one hasn't been triggered, second has been triggered, and it has given good move till T1 only. So it was quite a silent day for me, at least, but I used to share some analysis, and I did so yesterday also. So and so not yesterday, actually on Friday also, and those stocks gave really good move. Bait Bharti Airtel, Bait Sokri Land, and yeah. So that's all. If you want to join, then the link is already in description box. Do check it out. Okay, so thanks a lot for your time, and one more thing, if you are liking my content, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also share it with your friends. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.